By the age of 11, childhood is nearly over, and we're about to change like never before. We're on the brink of adulthood. But first, the hormone surge of puberty. Puberty doesn't stick to a schedule. It begins at any time, depending on our DNA clock, our lifestyle, even our diet. Whether female or male, for all of us, it begins in the brain. At the base, the hypothalamus, the same region that controls our body temperature. Puberty starts when the hypothalamus releases the protein kisspeptin into the brain. The kisspeptin triggers the release of other hormones throughout the body. This stimulates the sex organs to mature. In girls, that means ovulation. For the first time on television, a high-definition view of the ovaries, these off-white organs. This unique footage from Gold Coast IVF Fertility Center shows something incredible. An egg inside a protective blister of fluid. At ovulation, the blister ruptures. The egg inside will travel down the fallopian tube, where it will be either fertilized or lost in menstruation. From the onset of puberty, ovulation occurs once a month, but the ovaries begin another equally important role. They start releasing hormones into the bloodstream, including estrogen. They have dramatic and lasting effects on both emotional and physical development. Both boys and girls experience a growth spurt. And each day when we look in the mirror, we see a new face looking back. And the entire body changes beyond recognition. Girls become women, boys become men. Male brains also release kisspeptin during puberty.
Walking down the road, walking home.
The flood of new hormones stimulates the testicles to start producing sperm. The testicles also generate a tenfold increase in testosterone, the hormone that turns a boy into a man.
Walking down the road, walking home with you.
The larynx opens up and tilts forward.
Done everything you do.
The vocal cords stretch wider.
There's something about you.
The longer cords vibrate at a lower pitch. The voice deepens. Testosterone also stimulates the growth of body hair and doubles muscle mass.
There's something about you. There's something
These are changes we can see and hear, but we're changing inside too. In the brain, nerve cells undergo extensive rewiring. The result is a transformation of our mood and character. Both sexes suffer a torrent of new emotions, and one new emotion beats them all. For the first time, both sexes find the other sex attractive. From the inside out, our bodies are overwhelmed by new sensations. Our pulse races, our blood pressures rise. Our lips gorge, our cheeks flush with blood. These are all signals that we desire someone. And sometimes, that desire turns out to be mutual. In adolescence, another major life milestone, our first kiss. In the first 2 decades of life, the human body accomplishes something close to miraculous. We're nearly 4 times our original height. We're 21 times heavier. We've digested nearly 9 tons of food. Our heart has beaten over 1 billion times, and our lungs have drawn 200 million breaths. Finally, we're ready, in mind and body, to become an adult.